Hello to you all. This is a very special interim vlog. I'm going to be giving you a quick introduction to Welsh Farming Week, which kicks off next week on the 17th of June. This is all about showcasing everything that is good and great about Welsh agriculture, from the fantastic food that we produce, the environment, the habitats and the landscape we look after, the language that we underpin and that culture and the heritage, the jobs that we provide, absolutely everything that we are proud of as Welsh farmers. Now, as part of this week, we're also kicking off our brand new all singing, all dancing consumer campaign. The campaign is entitled Secure the Future of Welsh Food, Digeli Dyfodol Bwyd Cymru. Now, this is building on the work we did back last winter, where we ran a consumer survey and we were blown away by the incredible support we had from Welsh consumers. They thought it was really important that Welsh Government continue to support Welsh agriculture to deliver safe and nutritious food and to look after the environment. So the new campaign now is going to be focusing on pledges. This is all about numbers. We need to drive consumers towards our website using all sorts of promotional materials that we've got out there. We're going to have gate banners, stickers, going to be stakeholders getting involved. We've got QR codes, leaflets. We're going to be handing out packs to people who've got various consumer facing activities on their farm to make sure that we can get consumers to commit their pledge. It will literally take them 10 or 20 seconds. It's very, very quick. We're going to be relying on you as farmers to help consumers drive to this page and make sure they can commit that pledge, because this is going to be our opportunity to get a much clearer picture that we can deliver to Welsh Government and to other stakeholders to help them understand how important Welsh consumers place on Welsh agriculture and everything that we deliver. And please also don't forget that you as farmers are consumers, so I'm going to be relying on every single one of you to also go on and commit your pledge and get everybody within your household and all of your friends to do it as well. For the rest of Welsh Farming Week, we've also got the live lessons that will be kicking off. There's still time for schools to register for primary schools aged 7 to 11. It's completely curriculum aligned. It's free. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be on a dairy farm this time. They'll be talking about cows and ice cream, one of my favourite foods. And at the end of the week on the 21st of June, we have got our consumer facing event in Cardiff, where we have got a stand. We're going to be talking to consumers all day, handing out samples of Welsh food and really helping to get that message out there about what is fantastic about Welsh farming, and of course to encourage them to go on and commit their pledge so that we can start collating figures that really truly demonstrate who we are and what we do. It's going to be a fantastic positive week, so please do get behind it.